Students, I am starting with the topic that is acid and its classification. Okay, now first of all, what is acid? Normally acid is taken from the Latin word that is acidus, which means sour. It means normally if you are tasting any acid, it will have the sour taste. We are having with some natural acids that is present in the foods, like in the tomato there is oxalic acid, in the vinegar there is acetic acid. That's why all the acid is having with the sour taste, because it's taken from the Latin word. But beside that, how we can define an acid? We can define an acid. For example, I am having with the acid HCl, I am having with the acid H2SO4. Whenever you will see this acid, it is having with the hydrogen atom, and even when you are dissolving them in the water, it will release one ion, that is the H3O positive, that is the hydronium ion. Okay, it means what is acid? Acid is the substance which contain one or more than one hydrogen atom, and when it is dissolved in water, it release hydronium ion in the water. Okay, now students, I am starting with the classification. What is the classification of an acid? Now we will do the two types of classification. First, depend upon the source. It means from where the acid is being taken or it is coming, and second one is depend upon their basicity. Okay, it means how many acid is used. It means depend upon the basicity, mean the acid that is used to neutralize the base. Okay, see beta, from the source we are having with the two source. The first one is the having with the natural source, and next one is second is the artificial source. From the natural source we can say that the acid, like it is obtained from the plant. Okay, it means the acid which is obtained from plant, it is known as organic acid. And second, we are having with the acid that we are obtaining from the minerals, and that type of acid is also known as mineral acid, but beside that it is also known as inorganic acid. Okay, see, organic acid. The organic acid is example is we are having with the organic acid like CHOOH, it is the formic acid, and then we are having with the oxalic acid COOH whole twice. Okay, and all the organic acids, they are weak acids. Okay, it means we can consume these acids. But whereas inorganic acids like H2SO4 or HCl, it is not the weak acids, they are the strong acid and we cannot consume it. But there is one inorganic acid which when you are you see it is a weak acid. Now what is that acid? It is H2CO3. H2CO3, that is the carbonic acid, and this acid is used in the soft drinks. Okay, now student, I am starting with the second classification based upon the basicity. Okay, based upon the basicity. Now first of all, what is meant by the term basicity of an acid? Basicity of an acid means the number of H3O positive, mean the hydronium ions released by an acid in water. Okay, it means if it is released one hydronium ion, it is monobasic acid. If it is released two, it is dibasic acid. If it is released 3, it is tribasic acid. Okay, now see, I am taking with the first, that is monobasic acid. Now see, in the monobasic, I am taking with the example of HCl. When this HCl, you are reacting it with water, you will see that it will form H positive plus Cl negative. Then this H positive will react with water, H positive will react with water, and it will form H3O positive plus you are having with the Cl negative ion. Okay, it means only H3O positive you can see. Okay beta, it means how many hydronium ion it is releasing? Only one, because it is having only one ionizable hydrogen. Okay, then we are having with the next one, it is Dibasic. Now what is dibasic? How many hydronium ion it will release? 2. Now how? See, I am taking the example H2SO4. When it is reacting with the water, now see, this only one H it will react with water and it will form H3O positive plus HSO4 negative. Now this HSO4 negative, again it will react with water and it will form this hydrogen, again react with water and form the hydronium ion plus SO4 2 negative. If we will see the overall reaction, see beta, overall reaction, the compounds or the substance that is in the same side, it should be in the opposite side, it should be cancel out. HSO4 cancel out with that. Okay, now what it form? H2SO4 react with the 2 molecules of water and form 2 hydronium ion plus SO4 2 negative. It means how many hydronium ion is released by H2SO4? 2. That's why it is known as dibasic. Okay, then beta, the third thing is tribasic acid. Tribasic acid, we are having the example H3PO4. Now see, H3PO4 react with water, it will form H3O positive plus how many hydrogen left? H2PO4 negative. Now next time this H2PO4 again react with water. Now one hydrogen react and form hydronium ion and we are having with the HPO4 negative. Then HPO4 negative again react with water, but it form H3O positive plus PO4 3 negative, 2 negative. Okay, overall cancel out, cancel out. You will have H3PO4 plus 3 molecule of water form 3 hydronium ion plus PO4 3 negative. Okay students.